Hi everyone, it's Whitney. Welcome to my channel. Today I did my everyday school makeup routine for you guys. This is super simple. It's nothing crazy. It's super natural, all creams. So if you want to see how I got this, then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so when I wake up in the morning, I actually only give myself 10 minutes to get ready before I have to leave. So this is going to be the quickest and easiest makeup routine ever. So I just start out my skin by spraying with my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. I showed this in my skincare video and it's amazing. Okay, after that is dry, I go in with concealer because my dark circles are insane. They're purple, they've always been like that, and also I'm just like sleep deprived all the time. But this is my Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer. And this is in the shade Beige. I don't put much of this on. I just put a few dots under my eyes just like that. A bit on my eyelids just because I have veins on there. And then anywhere that I have a blemish. And then I just blend this all out with my fingers. This concealer is super lightweight. It does not have much coverage at all, but I don't want that much coverage for school. I'm not trying to like have a full face of makeup on. I'm just trying to look like I'm not dead and I didn't just wake up. So just looking a little more fresh, a little more awake, not as tired. And next I will go in with my blush and bronzer. And I don't do these both every day. It really just depends on how I feel when I wake up. So for example, when I'm freshly self-tanned, I don't go in with either of these. I just do the concealer and then the other stuff I have, because I feel like I just already have a nice glow. I don't need more bronze, I don't need blush. But now that my fake tan is coming off of my face specifically, I will typically just go in with blush. And this is the Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Puff. This is my favorite thing to use for school, a cream blush. And then sometimes when I'm just feeling it and I'm feeling pale, you know, you just don't feel good when you're pale sometimes, I will put on bronzer. And this is my Chanel Soleil Tan Day Chanel Cream Bronzer. So for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna do them both so I can show you how I do it. So for the cream bronzer, I just take my number 56 brush from Sephora and I just go into my bronzer and go around the perimeters of my face. This is not strategic at all. I'm just placing it on my cheeks. I'm not contouring. Basically just bronzing. And this bronzer is so natural. It has such a nice color to give you just some color to your face. I know it's really pricey, but I've had it for so long and it's still here. I've made a dent in it, but not even close to finishing it. So now I'm kind of just blending out anything that doesn't look super blended, kind of around my mouth. And I have some stress hives going on here, but I really don't care. Like, I never covered those up. I just don't care enough. So yeah, just looking a little more tan, a little more bronzy, which is always good. So next I'm gonna go in with my cream blush that I already mentioned, my Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Puff. And I just put this on my pointer finger, just like that much, and then blend it with my pointer finger and my middle finger. And then I'm just tapping it in. I like doing blush for school more than bronzer because I feel like it just makes you look more awake and fresh and like you've already been up and you've been doing stuff. You didn't just wake up. But I never ever go in with any powder products to school. It's always creams because then it just looks more natural and they're so easy. You can just like apply everything with your fingers and just like really quickly tap stuff on. So I think it's really nice for school. Something that I do every day is I just fill in my brows with a brow gel. So this is the Glossier Boy Brow. It's in the shade Blond and I just run this through my eyebrows. Just because I feel like having your eyebrows done makes you look a lot more put together instead of your eyebrows being like everywhere, like all over the place, which mine are in the morning. So I just run a little bit of this through my brows, not even to like try and fill them in, like this does a little bit, but I'm pretty much just doing this to get my brows set in place so they don't move, and I think it just makes you look a lot more put together and like you didn't even try. Next thing that I always do no matter what is my inner corner highlight, and that sounds kind of crazy, but I think that it makes you look really awake and fresh. Like, you don't need highlight on your face. I think that highlight on your inner corners just makes you look awake and really opens your eyes up. And then I just apply this with my finger. And this is the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. And then I typically just run whatever is already on my finger onto my nose. You'll never catch me without my lashes curled, so I'm just gonna curl them really quick. I don't wear mascara, I just curl my lashes. I hate wearing mascara to school. I don't know why. It's also just like I hate taking off mascara, so I don't want to have to do that every day. And I think that curling your lashes just makes your eyes look a lot more open, and there's no need to wear mascara. We are on to the last step. I told you this was going to be super, super quick, but I always have to put something on my lips with a little bit of a tint. So this is the Dior Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm in the shade 001 Pink. It's just a little lip balm, but it does have a little bit of a tint, which I think is really, really nice. Also has a bit of shine to it. And then if you're feeling a little dry, you can always spray a little more of your spray. So yeah, this is the whole look. This is what I wear to school every single day. I wear this no matter what I'm wearing, like clothing wise. Like typically to school, I'm gonna be wearing leggings and a sweatshirt like I am today. But even if I wear jeans and a sweater or something like that, I do the same thing with my face. Okay everybody, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my everyday school makeup routine, then definitely give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and comment down below anything else you would like to see from me. And as always, I will see you in the next one.